So just place him right here in the middle. Yep, and hands are going to stay inside the box or inside the bag. Perfect. Can I help at all or not?
You got it?
I'm getting it.
Well, if we can do these. Just get in here.
Yep, leave his feet in there. Yep, and there's a little, he's a little large. There's a little Velcro right there that might help you. I'm not a good editor and
She's not gonna fit in here.
She's not gonna fit.
Mm-mm.
yeah, you aren't. You're kind of a big kitty, aren't you?
Maybe if we take that next last.
You can do that.
Now she's gonna fit. Oh my gosh.
You are a big kitty.
Yep, she is.
So make that.
They have to be super tight.
Not ideally. We would use it on a smaller key, but
Is that for the expediter, Amanda?